First of all, thank you for the second opportunity. I'm here with you, team leaders, and here a problem statement for Maharashtrian government. First of all, we created an AI-driven tool. Go with our we will provide a forms for each and every person. They will write a queries, and our tool will analyze all the queries, and it will be rated up to 10th grade, 9th grade, 8th grade according to the emergency. If the for example, a house or a village need of water, it's a basic need, right? Water and the shelter and clothing would be, and medical needs would be emergency needs. And if it for transporting needs or any other construction needs, it will be in the secondary form. The food and the basic needs would be like it's an emergency one. So our AI tool will recognize those emergency topics and give a rating as a 10. So the government, it's not possible that if we get a form by one in each and every one house, and also they can't go and record each and every forms. It is a very much demerit but so we provide a form that it is an online based form, and if the people that filled it, every AI tool will refer each and every forms, and it will help the ministry to identify the most in need and the most emergency query to sort out very fast. So it will be in the rate of 10. And next, like transportation issues, like it be in a rate of 2 or like in 5 or 4, we can get a proper order actually. There is not a good orders according to the emergency. Reduce the manpower, and also if it is in what is a problem in doing manually means time duration. If there is something emergency issues where being in a lot of papers, it will be lot of bundle of papers, and it is a one of the paper for them, because they will always go with first come and first out. Emergency statements, emergency issues where like it's a certain time, right? We cross over the time that that issue is be not workable maybe. If there is a need of medical issues, examples for medical issues would be in need of medical issues, and there's a one of form like my father need of this medical surgery within this month, but due to the emergency related to the people population, they have a lot of forms. They can't consider that form particularly because it is a medical emergency form. So our AI tool would identify that, and it will be give the first precedence because there is a time schedule for it. If it does go out of the time schedule, there is no purpose for using it. So this is our tool, and also we added our demo. So here we go. A demo will be shown here. Thank you.
This is the AI Power Governance homepage. We named it as Mahagav AI. Now we are signing in into it. This is temporary email and password. This is the dashboard page. It shows the status of the complaints in graph based and pie chart way. So now we are submitting the complaint. We are selecting the district. We are choosing the category. For example, we are choosing the category in administrative service, and we are raising a complaint here. We fill the form, and we tag the contact, and we are submitting the complaint. It shows the priority score as 50 and generates a complaint ID. So we can copy this, and here we can see the priority. So it shows from low to high, so it is in low priority, and we can see the filters high to low, low to high in filter. We are tracking the complaint, so we are searching the ID, and it shows the progress. Thank you.